in Dragonland. I'm not gonna have the volume up too high. And we're gonna have 2 gems, okay. Now we're going to go to upgrades. I kinda need PewDiePie to upgrade. Yeah, upgrade, eh? And we're gonna go to we'll play the campaign, and we're gonna go to here, and then we're gonna go to I don't think I ever passed this. Okay. Okay. Touch to start, tap to start. Now let's do this. Yeah, I just destroyed them like that. Okay, I just need it. Ouch. Okay. Okay, come on, PewDiePie. Come on. Yep. Destroy him. Destroy him. Destroy him. Destroy him. Okay, we're almost finished with this level. Nope. Yeah. 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 Nah. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and also comment down below other games I should play. Bye.